Last but not least, oops. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button down below. So I know it's been a long time since you guys seen my face or I've done a video that was beauty related, but here we are. So on Black Friday, Glamlite was having a sale on their VIP boxes. So I did snag me one. Here it is right here. If you do not know who Glamlite is or what Glamlite is about, it's a cosmetic company. Pretty much their feature pieces are like food related. So I know you've seen videos of the pizza palette or the taco palette. If not, there's a bunch of videos floating around. Jeffree Star did one. I believe Nikki Tutorials did one, whatever. And I've always wanted to grab some things from the company. I just wanted a lot, but didn't want to pay all that. So I thought, why not try to grab one of these foodie boxes, VIP boxes, whatever you want to call them. So I'm gonna open this baby up and see what is all in here. You guys ready? Keep on watching. So as soon as I open it, it's like overflowing. We have basically a little card about the company, another card about one of the products that's in the box, a $10 gift card, and let's get on to the goodies. So first things first, maybe I should have grabbed some scissors. BRB. First things first, I have the Veggie Lovers Pizza Slice palette. That's what it looks like. Oh, okay. Let that drop. This palette is so cute, and I just love that the names are really like stuff what you'll find on a Veggie Lovers pizza. Got jalapenos, caramelized onions, yellow peppers, olives, garlic, green peppers, basil, spinach, mushrooms, and black olives. Next up is this thing for cut creases to help you do cut creases better. It's called Quick Crease. Not do them better, but to easily do a cut crease with the tool. This is the tool you'll use. I also have their calligrapher waterproof eyeliner. Let's open this up and see what it's hitting for. It's really pretty. Oh, you just put, oh, it's a felt tip. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna try it. I do not have the best of luck with felt tip pins. Very cute. Oh, might give it away though. Then next we have one of their diamond aluminizers, and this is called Let It Gold. I'm gonna open it up and swatch it. Oh. It's like, ooh, okay. This is what it looks like in the pan, but I'm gonna swatch it. I just press my finger in. That is one swatch. I'm gonna rub it in. I'm gonna grab some more though. I'll rub it in. I don't know if you can see it though. Let me grab some more. Okay, that should be enough. Whoa. Okay. Clearly I grabbed a lot. So clearly you can see if you put too much on my brown skin, it might come off a little ashy. So I say a little goes a long way. Next up, I have one of their lip products. This is in horchata. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I know somebody will let me know down below, but I think I did it. Did I do a good job? Yes, sort of. Anywho, let's open it up. It says, inspired by one of Mexico's most popular and delicious treats, horchata lips is a lustrous cinnamon colored gloss that will leave your lips looking irresistibly sweet. Oh, first of all, I didn't even see the color. I was looking at the back because it has a mirror. How cool. Ooh, look at that color though. Okay. I could see myself rocking this with a brown lip. I love the touch of the mirror though. Like, ooh, okay, okay. Let me put some on. It's kind of pinky, but kind of nude. So I think I'm feeling it. I think I'm feeling it. Does it have a smell? Oh no, it doesn't have a smell, but it is a really, really cute color. The one concern I would say is that the tube doesn't have the name on there anywhere. So it's like you have to keep it inside the box, you know, to know which color it is, but still a pretty color. Next up, I have two lashes. Paint splashes is what they call them. Let's open these up. I believe these lashes are part of their new paint collection. Oh my, these are freaking gorgeous. These are called Paint, and this is how they look. Just, first of all, get into them. Just get into them. I'm excited about those. Very excited. Let's open these ones up. Da, da, da. Ooh, these are pretty too. Okay, I guess I am wrong because either these are the same lash. No, they're not the same lash, but they do both say Paint on them. So you know what? I think they're all sorted by colors. Excuse me, guys. But these are the two lashes. I'm loving both of these. Ooh. The blue ones, though, I will say are more 3D-ish. I wonder if you guys can pick up on that. Like, these are bomb. I can't wait to wear both of these. First off, before I show you the palette, look at the side of this box. How they have the ingredients list and all that. Like, that is so freaking dope. Like, they think of everything. Anywho, this is the Meat Lovers Pizza Slice palette. Ooh. Oh. Now I'll tell you, I'm not really a big fan of pinks, but I'm really liking this palette. First of all, let me tell you the names. Meatballs, pepperoni, chicken, ham, bacon, salami, Canadian bacon, crushed red pepper, red onions, and sausage. First of all, I know y'all see bacon. Like, we got to watch it. I'm trying not to dig my hand into the other colors up there. Oh, that is it on my finger. Let's swatch it. Oh, that was, oh, that's pretty. Let's do chicken. I realized I didn't swatch the veggie one, so I'm gonna swatch some of those as well. Ooh, that's chicken. It's bacon, that's chicken. I like that chicken. It's really duochrome. Because in the pan, it's like a rose gold, but then it has like green and pink and orange in it. It's gorgeous. Let's do a matte. I'm gonna do sausage at the bottom. First off, okay, pigment. Let's see. I'm not gonna swatch that hard. Ooh, okay, sausage. Okay, let's watch the Veggie Lovers. I guess I forgot to do that. I just have to go inside of jalapenos because that is a very, very bright green. Oh, okay. Let's swatch it on here. Oh, okay, pretty. I don't want to swatch another green, but I really want to do spinach. So I'm going to do spinach. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, actually different than what I thought. It's pretty though. And we're gonna do garlic. This is gold. Oh, okay, that's a real yellow gold. Bitch. Y'all see that? And of course, we gotta swatch the black. We gotta swatch the black olives because you got a black in there. It needs to be swatched. So, ooh, don't get my nail in there. Oh, okay. Y'all might be onto something, Glamlite. Ooh, okay. That is the black. A little bit patchy. Let's try it again. Maybe because it's on maybe it's on my knuckle. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. Out of everything that was in the box, I think my favorite has to be the lashes. Those are so freaking bomb, and I can't wait to try those out. I have to, let these lashes fall out. They're individuals, but let these lashes fall out before I can try them. But I'm definitely going to be trying those babies. Let me know down below if you tried out Glamlite and what are your favorite products. I've decided that I'm also going to include a few more items in the giveaway so you guys really feel like you're getting a prize. So I've decided to add both of these Pixie palettes into the mix. This one is called Reflex Light. And this one is called Natural Beauty. Now, be advised, the top middle eyeshadow I did have to press back into there because it did come damaged, but I did not use either of these palettes. They are new, brand spanking new, besides me having to repair that one eyeshadow. Then I also decided to throw in a pair of lashes. These are by MB Lashes. I believe that's how you pronounce them. These are in the style Dreamy. So you're going to get these two palettes, pair of eyelashes, the eyeliner, and the highlighter. So again, if you want these items, please comment down below your Instagram name along with following me on Instagram. I believe I'm going to put my personal Instagram or my beauty page. I really don't post on there anymore, so I'm going to put my personal, and that's just it. Have to be following me. Have to comment down below your Instagram name so I can see who's actually following me. And this will go on for a week, and then I will contact the winner. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That helps me out, helps me gain subscribers, helps me get to this money. Okay? Anywho, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.